strict regarding the timings because I want you to have a self-discipline, especially for the Filipinos. We have a cultural mindset, Filipino time. So that's very unprofessional. You just you're not only your time wasting, even the other persons or the other uh, people affected also due to your unprofessionalism. Okay, so that's why some of the students I provided designated timings in each course just to gather or arrange everything. Okay. Anyway, so the most important one is you need to be on time to our graduation day next Friday. Don't be confused because there's two hotels, Holiday Villa and Holiday Inn. Our graduation will be on Holiday Inn along Airport Road because most of the students they're thinking that the Holiday Villa is near the Mansura. Okay, so so maybe you're just waiting there next Friday and nobody comes. Okay, so we'll proceed now for the graduation plan. So program proper, venue arrangement, and toga agreement. By the way, I prepare some agreement. I don't know if all of you already read about this one. Okay. I hope that you understand. For those still not read, please take your time because later on once I issued the your graduation toga, you need to sign here your name, course, date of issuance today, and your signature. Then after the graduation ceremony, need to sign again. This paper will be placed in the registration area. So once you arrive there, you need to register your name again. Then after ceremony, you need to sign. You need to look for this paper. Okay, then you need to return the toga. So I think it's very clear there. Once any damage, you need to pay the graduation toga with the amount of 300 Qatari riyal. So once.
Is it okay to return at the same time after
Yeah, it's okay.
graduation?
Yeah, it's totally okay. So that's why there's a designated person there who will collect your toga after the ceremony. So that the maximum timeline to return your toga is within 24 hours after the event. Okay? Failure to return within 24 hours, consider the penalty. Okay? So, any questions about the agreement? So, before you sign on that paper, you need to check very well if it's really in good conditions. Because once you sign it, it means you receive the toga in good condition. Okay? If there's any tear, any stains right now, you need to tell us. Or even the size. By the way, the size is the toga is prepared according to your sizes before the photo shoot. You remember when you take the photo shoots, there's a attendance there and you write your sizes. So we are not expecting that you will receive your wrong size. Okay? So this is the proper program. You will receive this one, the digital invitations in all GCs, in all course. So third commencement exercise. We will send also the location. There's a QR code for those to avoid any confusion. 10 a.m. But we encourage everyone to be there as early as possible. 9 o'clock because there's a designated photo booth. Okay? Before 10 o'clock, registration is done. On time, we will start. Whether you are there or not, we will start. Okay? I do it that before. Maybe you can ask from the previous batch. I start the program on time. And I hit the target, my target, to finish the program 4 o'clock last time. So today, this graduation, I make it as early as possible. That's why I make it 10 o'clock. So I encourage also everyone, before you attend or before you go there, try to have a small light snacks. Because based on the program, maybe we will finish around 2 o'clock. So you will having a late lunch. Okay? But the food is there, it's available. Okay? Then be on time. By the way, the whole event will be coverage on FB Live. It will be covered by the professionals videographer, and we will use specific hashtag. We encourage also everyone to participate, to share our lives, and we will use only specific hashtags just to have some engagement on the social media. Please help us to do that. Okay? So 10 o'clock, that's the target time to start. Uh, Maybe we will face some delays if the VIP will be late. So we have two VIPs. I will discuss later. So 10 o'clock to 10:30, graduation entourage processions. Maximum 30 minutes, we will finish the procession. So this one I mentioned already. This will be your queue. Uh, it will start on the skilled courses, welding, followed by automotive, then followed by medical courses, caregiver, phlebotomy, then medical coding. Okay? So I know, I'm expecting that you know your classmates. So you need to be there, you need to be in group. There's a designated ushers also to help you to arrange your lines. What we need from you, to all of you, is your cooperation, your full cooperations. Okay? Don't be late because sometimes there's some people that they want to some gets attentions. They used to do that to come late in any event. So please avoid that. Okay? I'm mentioning to you right now, maybe we will face some delays if the BAP will late. Okay? So medical courses, after medical coding, nursing assistant. I'm expecting medical coding student graduating class around 60, if I'm not mistaken. Then followed by 40 plus by nursing assistant. Okay? Then the introduction of this our VIP, Dr. Nawal Al-Alem. If you know her, she's the CEO of Tadawi Medical Center. She's Qatari, I think, cosmetology and dermatologist. So she is our VIP. And also Dr. Dem will be there, and the Mr. Sani, the owner of the garage, one of our partners in automotive. Then followed by consultants, then the founders, me and Mamalu. Okay? Do you have any questions? So this is the procession, the arrangement. Then this is the proper program. Opening remarks. The whole program will be led by professional MCs. If you know RJ Francis, he's one of the popular RJ here in Qatar, and Miss Trixie Lee. So we hired also two professional MCs to manage the whole event. Okay? Followed by Qatar National Anthem, Philippine National Anthem, invocation prayer by one of our nursing assistant instructor, Ms. Chelis Lee. Then the welcome remarks from Ma'am Marilu, my partner. Acknowledgement of guests and sponsors. Motivational speech. These three guest speakers, I already informed them that they have only maximum 15 minutes to deliver the speech. Even us, we try our best to to make it short. Okay? So after that, the guest speaker's speech, followed by the awarding of academic awardees. So for those honor students, we will start the awarding. Okay? In all course. Same. followed by automotive, same map, same queue, okay? Awarding of certificate of appreciation for the instructors. They will issue also we will giving also the certificate to all the instructors. After that one, followed by awarding of special awardees. So this is one of our traditions. We choose three different unique students in all random in all courses. First award is Managing Director's Award. Second is the most influencer students who engage or most of the students invite or referral. Okay, so we will recognize her or him. Then the third is the most active social media. Who's among students? Uh, she's she's very active to like, share, or comments in our during your studies. We already observed that one, so that's why we choose already. After that one, that's only the time that we will award your international certificates. Okay, you will receive your certificates together with the photos, everything with the TOR, and some of you already paid the attested, already attested. You will receive everything. Okay? As long as you pay the attestation, you will receive your certificate attested. No questions about that. Then after that, then we will follow by after the issuance of the awarding of the international certificates, we will proceed on the job assistant highlights. So we want to highlight those successful students from the previous batch who successfully worked already in Europe, in Croatia. I think for the welders, we sent already 15, and for the medical healthcare workers, we sent, I think, 7 this year. So they're the students that will be highlights during the event. What else? And after that, it will be followed by closing remarks. Ganit lang yan. Hindi ako magbibigay na ano. So after that one, we encourage everyone also, we will share again our AATC hymn. We encourage everyone to participate our team song. So we send it that before, but we will send it again. So that to all of you will be familiar. Okay? Malino ba yun ako?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that one, that team song, then that's the time, the final act that you will do. You will toss your graduation cup. Huwag lang masyadong mataas. Don't make it too much high. Okay? So just normal. So hopefully we will hit this target 3 o'clock done already. Okay? Any questions? Okay. So
Sir,
okay.
sir, how about the guests? If you have guests, is there designated area
Yeah.
for the guests?
I will discuss. Okay. So the processions, even the guests, there's a specific. They will march also. They will join in the processions, but not in the. There's a specific queue for them. They will walk also. Okay. So this is the seating arrangement. Okay. Once you go inside, you're facing on the stage. This batch will be go on the left side. Okay. This is the stage, yeah? Not this one. Because the right side is designated only for the nursing assistant. Okay? So all of you, you will come here, walk from the aisle, then move here. Then look for your line. By the way, in each chair, we provide your names. Okay? Don't sit in a chair that is not your name. Okay, there's a designated name in each students. Okay? This is the specific, this is the final plans. Okay? We will share this one in the group. Okay? Joyce and Malyari? Medical coding ba ito? Ito po, ito yung pinaka-line. Okay, from her, you'll start na yan. Pag ganun po. so on and so forth. Basta ito pong linyang to from my Joyce, ito po ay medical coding na lahat.
Sa taas na nakita mo na.
Opo. Ito ay welding, automotive, caregiver, third line. Okay? Roy, then you. Okay? May usher po dyan mag-assist sa inyo. Kaya ang kailangan po namin ay cooperation mo. Okay? So after this line from the healthcare nurse assistant, this will be the designated seats for the guests. Okay? This will be the arrangement. Okay? This is our last donation from Shelton, but it's the same arrangement. So doon, mas mahaba yung lalakarin nyo. It will be more longer. Yeah, very long. From the middle. Okay? Once you go here, once, for example, calling for the special awards, don't go on the middle. Always on the side. From here, for example, you're sitting here, you will walk from the middle, then go there. Okay? Avoid to walk on the middle. It's clear? Any questions? So in each tables also, we provide the designated groups. Okay? In each tables, there's names. All of you, there's a name there. 10 persons in each tables. Okay? Look for your tables. Please don't sit in your not designated chairs or tables. We try to arrange, for example, for each class. But unfortunately, there are 3 only. Of course, obviously, we will add another person. So please don't tell that I'm not comfortable with this guy. I don't want to sit with him or her. So just follow your table arrangement. This will be after the ceremony, during the brunch or big lunch. Okay? This is only the sample. But this is the actual. Yeah. As much possible, we will try our best night time. That's why you need to check your GC, first GC. Because once the arrangement is done, we will send it individual GC for your arrangement, for your information. Then this will be the arrangement. Ito yung seating arrangement for during the graduation, chair arrangement, they call it, and this the round table. So it depends on you. Sa likod lang yan. It plays at the back of the chairs. Yes. This is the exactly arrangement for the brunch. So that's it. Any questions?